where we explore the newest, boldest, and most capable motorhomes on the road. Today, we're taking a detailed look at the 2027 Ram 3500 Custom Class C Motorhome, finished in a striking, vibrant white and black design, with a rugged long body profile and massive 6x6 style wheels. This custom-built RV combines the presence of a heavy-duty truck with the comfort of a modern home on wheels. Starting at the front, the 2027 Ram 3500 Custom immediately commands attention inside the company's showroom. The large Ram-inspired front grille, powerful LED headlights, muscular bumper, and high ground clearance create an aggressive, heavy-duty appearance. The vibrant white body contrasts with black exterior accents, while the oversized, rugged wheels give this Class C motorhome an unmistakable, adventure-ready personality. The custom bodywork also provides a spacious living area behind the cab. Topside view. Moving to the roof, this motorhome is designed to make the most of every available surface. Solar panels provide supplemental power for selected onboard systems, while a rooftop antenna helps maintain connectivity during travel. A roof-mounted air conditioning unit keeps the interior comfortable in hot weather, and additional roof equipment is positioned carefully to preserve usable space. From above, the long body design becomes even more impressive, showing just how much equipment has been integrated into this custom RV. Back view. At the rear, practicality takes center stage. The extended body provides valuable storage and living space, while the rear section is finished with rugged black detailing. A carefully mounted spare tire is ready for remote road adventures, and a rear cycle carrier provides convenient transportation for bicycles. Exterior storage compartments add even more utility for camping equipment, tools. Side view. 20 seconds from the side, the long body configuration really stands out. Large windows bring natural light into the living area, while multiple exterior storage compartments provide easy access to camping gear. The vibrant white and black finish gives the motorhome a premium custom look. And when it's time to relax outside, the integrated side awning can extend outward to create a shaded outdoor sitting area. Add a couple of camping chairs and this becomes an ideal space for enjoying the scenery. Driving compartment. Inside the driving compartment, the Ram-based cockpit focuses on control, visibility, and long-distance comfort. The driver's area features a modern dashboard, supportive seating, digital displays, and convenient controls positioned within easy reach. LED lighting adds a modern touch to the cabin, including dedicated lighting that helps illuminate the rear-facing area. The elevated driving position provides a commanding view of the road, while the heavy-duty platform gives the motorhome a confident presence behind the wheel. Sitting and sleeping area. Behind the driving compartment is the main living and sleeping zone. A comfortable sofa provides seating during the day and can be converted into a sleeping surface at night. Overhead cabinets provide organized storage for clothes, bedding, and travel essentials, while strategically placed windows help keep the cabin bright. The layout is designed to transform quickly from a relaxing lounge into a practical sleeping area, making better use of the limited interior space of a Class C motorhome. Kitchen. The compact kitchen is positioned alongside the living area to maximize efficiency. It features a practical countertop, storage cabinets, a cooking area, and space for essential appliances. The arrangement keeps everything within easy reach without taking over the living space. After preparing a meal, the dining and seating area remains close. The washroom demonstrates how much functionality can be fitted into a compact motorhome. A space-efficient layout includes a shower area, toilet, sink, mirror, storage, and practical lighting. Every section is carefully positioned to maintain usable floor space while still providing the essentials needed for life on the road. With durable surfaces and easy-to-clean materials, this compact bathroom is designed for everyday travel, weekend adventures, and extended road trips. So what do you think about the 2027 Ram 3500 Custom Class C Motorhome? With its vibrant white and black exterior, rugged long body design, adventure-focused equipment, spacious interior, and bold 6x6 style wheels, this custom RV certainly makes a statement. Because this is a custom configuration, the final price can vary significantly depending on the chassis, drivetrain, interior specification, and installed equipment. Tell us your estimated price in the comments and let us know. Would you take this motorhome on your next adventure? Thanks for watching RV Road Report. Force them to like, share, subscribe, and comment.